Yo, so I'm starting to strip down this used Apollo I bought, 125cc. Got her down to a skeleton now. Got the motor bolts loose and everything, so gotta take the front fender and the forks off still, handlebars and a couple other wires. Always make sure you label your shit when you're doing it. I'm putting the bigger tires on it. They're gonna fit right on there. I've already had them on there. So that's where I am right now with it. Sorry, I'll get a better angle here. So the plan now is I'm gonna clean the fuck out of these forks, polish all the plastics and shit. I'm repainting the frame. Gonna wire wheel the muffler. I'm gonna weld it back there where it needs to be welded and shit. Then fucking wire wheel the whole muffler. Fucking black heat temp paint, except for the aluminum tip. Have to clean up the back rim a little bit. But I can't believe how small this back sprocket looks on this rim. So it might not have the takeoff, but she's gonna fucking be a really fast 125 Apollo. Yeah, I can never remember what year it is, so I better get right in there and look. Oh shit, I was saying it was a 9 or a 10. Right up there it says 2012. So she's not that old, but it was beat on a little bit, I guess. Well, it was never taken care of either, so. Yeah, there it is. Next time you see this thing, it'll probably be a paint video. So yeah, take her easy. Thanks for watching. PG out. Peace.